Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the PayPal Resolution Center. Let's get straight into it. So the first step, how to access the Resolution Center. All you got to do is to log into your PayPal account on the mobile app, or you can do that on the official website. And in the top navigation bar or the bottom navigation bar, depending on the where you're signed in from, all you want to do is click on Resolution Center. Now you can view and manage disputes and claims, so you can view a list of open disputes and claims in the Resolution Center. You can also view a list of closed disputes and claims also there, and you can use the search function to find a specific dispute or claim. And you can also respond to disputes and claims at the Resolution Center. So just click on a dispute or claim to view its details, and you can respond to it there. You're also going to need to provide any additional information requested by PayPal to support your case. You can upload supporting documents such as receipts or shipping records. Now escalate a dispute to a claim. You can escalate the dispute to a claim if you are unable to resolve a dispute with the buyer. If that's the case, then it's going to be elevated to a claim. Now you're going to need to provide any additional information requested by PayPal to support your claim. Now track the progress of a dispute or claim. You can now view the status of your dispute or claim in the Resolution Center, and you can track updates on disputes and claims, including any new information or responses from the buyer. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the PayPal Resolution Center. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what your thoughts, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.